Hi, I'm Yash. Today, let's paint another realistic still life. I've taken my number 2 fan brush and just loaded some blue and white, cobalt blue. Load in more of white. Go over that shadow. Just applying a backdrop. And just added few drops of water so that the paint flows. So now I've mixed up some mid-tone peach color by mixing in some orange, black, blue and white, and I'm just dropping it in with the flat brush. I'm using the flat brush for this. Grabbing some pure white mixed with blue, change the flavor a bit. Now to that very same color I've introduced some lime yellow, and I've taken another brush. This is a detail round brush. I've just flattened it. Okay, and let's come right over here and drop in some separation inside that and give a soft blend. Just a bit over there too to add in some depth. And now let's come over here with some black, blue and white, a grayish blue color. With that flat brush with which I painted that. Lighten that color a bit. Flatten the brush and just drop it in right over there. And blend it. Now I'll take some white on my regular brush. Just come right over there. And I've not added water. Let's drop in that color. And some glow of light comes out over there too. And something comes out over there. And over here too, inside that. And I'm just using the very tip of the brush to paint this, highlighting the edges. And let's come over here on this egg and just drop in some mid-tone grey color. With that same brush. Now I'll take in my manipulated flat brush and just introduce some white over there. Grab in more of white. Blend them all together. Trying to eat up my sketch. And now I'll grab in some white. Just drop it at the top of that egg. Do it very randomly with that manipulated flat brush. So now with some lime yellow and white. Very little lime yellow, more of white. Let's come right with there and drop in that color. Add just a bit of water so that the paint flows again. So now with some white, orange and lime yellow on that manipulated flat brush, let's come right over here and drop it in. It's gonna come all the way to like there and change the flavor that will give the three-dimensional look. and over here it will be warmer, that is the shadow side, creating that depth and making it look very deep. And now let's go right over here and drop in that reflection over here. Now I've taken some white on my rigger brush. Let's come right over there, neat up the sketch. And something right over there too. I'm using the rigger brush for that. Go over it just once. I'm loading in thick paint. That gives you that extra glow. Look at that, it's that easy. And something comes off right over here too. Using that pencil sketch is very important to make it look realistic. And I've just taken off my sketch over there a couple of minutes ago, and let's get it back. Just follow the angles and I'm sure you'll get it. And over here too, just pretty much doing the same thing. So let's come right over here and drop in some highlights and on the yoke. Something like that, and just a bit over there too. Now let's go ahead and brighten up some spots where the light is hitting, where the light is falling. I'm painting in acrylics today. Acrylics tend to dry a bit dull, so just giving it another coat. I'm using the detailer on brush, another one. Just a bit of highlight here and there, not much, just a bit. Now with a light grey color, let's come right over here and start dropping in the shadow and make it look even more realistic. I'm using the rigger brush for this. Just going on the right side of that line. And now let's go very lightly on the other side. Use a clean finger and just blend it off. Don't want it to be too thick.